friends, welcome back my YouTube channel Code Play. So today I'm going to start a course for Angular beginners who don't know about the Angular, how to install, how to start a project, how they can create a project. So first, before that, I'm going to introduce myself. My name is Vipin Pandey and I have a 5+ experience in ASP.NET and Angular and many technologies like Android, Java and TypeScript, JS, much more. Okay, so this is my GitHub URL, github.com/vipinpandey128, and my Telegram channel you can join vipinpandey128, and the YouTube channel Code Play, and the Facebook ID is pvipin0. So friends, going to discuss how many topics in Angular I will discuss with you, and I will show you. I will create an example and much more things. So let's start. The course agenda. Components and modules. What is components and modules in Angular? So this is the first one topic which I will discuss when I will start to start the course for this. And second thing is data binding. So how many types of data binding, how we can bind the data from component and from TS file to HTML file, and how we can get the input instantly, like two-way binding. There are many types of binding. So this is the topic basically, how to show the data. Input and output properties, what it does, how to transfer the data between two components. Services and HTTP, how to consume the services and how to call the APIs through Angular. So, and fifth one is routing, how to make a routing to navigate one page to another page, one component to another component. Okay, so thank you guys, thank you so much. This is my mobile number, you can text me, don't call me, only you can text me. I will reply whatever your issues. And this is my Gmail ID, you can mail me if you have any query regarding the Angulars and .NET. I will help you 100%. There is no any charge, free of cost. Okay, thank you guys, thank you so much. Please like, share and subscribe my channel if you are new on my channel. Thank you guys, thank you so much.